Hello my dear friends, good morning to all of you. After the topic number 7, this video lecture is regarding the topic number 8. The name of this topic number 8 is the focus on value. So here you see that there is a focus on value. So first of all, you know the meaning of contributor, right? So whenever contributor are working, their main focus on the value, not the price. Means whenever they are working, they have to main focus on the value. If I do this work, then what type of value I created or I destroyed. Okay, so in this particular video lecture you learn about it. Okay, so let's start it. So presentation outline is considered first of all what is the focus on value, then what does the creation value means, then the exploration, then the applications example how this focus on value is applicable, then example of real contributor who are work as a contributor in the real life, and after the conclusion regarding the presentation. Okay, so first topic, what is the focus on value? Focus on value એટલે શું? In the term of contributor, we define the focus on value as below. First of all, one of the aspect of the contributor's mindset is his or her goal for the creating value for self, for family, for team, for organization, and for customer, for the society. Okay, so every contributor have the mindset that they do some work that is valuable for first of all his or herself. કે જે કામ કરે છે એ પોતાના માટે વેલ્યુએબલ છે, પોતાની ફેમિલી માટે વેલ્યુએબલ છે, પોતાની ટીમ, પોતાના ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન અને કસ્ટમર માટે કંઈક ને કંઈક ઇફેક્ટિવ વર્ક કરે છે. So in short, contributors aim to create a value for all stakeholders in his or her life. સ્ટેકહોલ્ડર એટલે કે જે ડિરેક્ટલી ઓર ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી તમારા ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન સાથે કનેક્ટેડ છે જે પાર્ટીસ એ બધા જે છે એ સ્ટેક હોલ્ડરમાં આવે છે, જેમાં ગવર્મેન્ટ, ફિનાન્શિયલ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ, દેન આફ્ટર કસ્ટમર, યોર શેર હોલ્ડર, એ બધા જ લોકો જે છે એ આપણા સ્ટેક હોલ્ડર કહેવાય છે. So here one example is considered as a non-contributor and contributor person. Non-contributor is focused on the attributes of the product or services. This new cell phone is a bigger and the more fancy than the previous one. તો એને main attributes કે ના features ઉપર એને focus હશે. Then contributor have to focus on value of the product and services, not the attributes. Okay, so this new cell phone will give me some important new capabilities to make my life efficient. તો અહીંયા જે છે એનું ફોકસ એના પર છે only attributes, but here there are the focus on the value. So here there are the examples regarding this mobile phone, cell phones. So role model Sir Thomas Edison, you know that's Thomas Alva Edison, right? So Thomas Edison is to be an expert for the traditional influence of the modern life. He's a contributor to innovations such as the independent, we can say that light of bulb, and the, we can say that is the most new innovation is done by him. So picture camera as well has to be a telephone. In the 84 years is occupied as to be a services by the turning ideas and giving the commercial value. So I have failed in the 10,000 time. You know that whenever this Thomas Alva Edison is working on this new invention, at that time he failed 10,000 time કે 10,000 વાર ફેલ થયા. બટ 10,000 ways that not work. બટ એ એક શું કહે છે કે ભલે એ 10,000 ways મેં જોયા, બટ એ 10,000 વે વર્કિંગ કરતા નથી એ પણ મને આઈડિયા મળ્યો. તો આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ, જસ્ટ એક વાર જો આપણે ટ્રાય કરીને ફેલ થઈએ છીએ તો આપણે એ વસ્તુ મૂકી દેતા હોઈએ છીએ. બટ હિયર હી વર્ક્સ 10,000 time and 10,000 time he failed in the experiment, and then after he achieved the good success, is the biggest success in his life. So in this December 1914, when the Thomas Edison was 67, so laboratory was virtually destroyed by the fire, and much work went up to the most of in the flame in the night. Then one reaching the site is Edison 24 years old son is to be a character was applied for the site, and oh God, this a light is to be a work to destroy. My father would be a devastated at this age, it's a loss. So however is to be a found one academy for this to be a claims to sense to face to glowing in the reflection. So next morning is a looking to be a rinse is to Edison said there is a greatest value is a disaster all around, and here in the week after Edison is delivered the first photograph. એટલે કે સૌથી પહેલાં એમનું જે લેબોરેટરી ડિસ્ટ્રોય થઈ ને એમાંથી એમને ન્યૂ આઈડિયા આવે ને એમાંથી એમને ફોટોગ્રાફી માટે એક ન્યૂ ઇનોવેશન કર્યું. What does means creating value? Creating value means making a positive difference and the tangible impact and the specific contribution to the any situation. This positive difference of the impact can be formed as achieving the specific goal, creating products, creating human touch, particular interaction, and enhancing one's own capability and the capability of one's colleagues and the team mates. કે the positive difference શું છે creating value કે તમે કંઈક ન્યૂ ઇનોવેશન કરો, ન્યૂ કેપેબિલિટી ક્રિએટ કરો કે જે તમારા ટીમ મેમ્બર માટે કંઈક ન્યૂ ઇનોવેશન છે. Contributors are therefore is extremely result to focus, but result is to be a measure in the terms of value created. So here one is example is considered is first of all money. Although I am weak in the study, I will study hard and won't let my parents to waste the money for my particular we can say studies. And no value for money. અહીંયા જે છે value of money છે, but here there is the person who is a student and he is not have the any value regarding the money of his or his parents. So I am too intelligent to get myself in to be maintained. So I don't need to study for my dad's money and anywhere to be a place with the scholars. So અહીંયા જે છે એને money ની no value છે. Here is the money valuable. Then Steve Jobs and the Dennis Rich. So is the binary from the to be a Stalin's ideas will be clever is to be a sales tactics. Means Steve Jobs જે એમણે first one wife છે એ billionary from the stolen idea and the clever sales tactics. Billionaires means what? He is the we can say કે એની પાસે એટલી કળા છે કે એને ઘણા બધા આઈડિયાઝ છે એ લીધા છે ને એમાંથી કંઈક ન્યૂ ઇનોવેશન કર્યું છે. Then invents the C language, Unix, and the both released for the free. Okay. Then the role model of the Dennis Rich, the Greek, we can say he working as a Greek phonetics and the creator of the value and the programming tool assets for the C programming language. C programming is a switch to the heart of the programming is a platform for the most programmers. So co-creator of the another most valuable interaction tool open source Unix, we can say Unix operating system, and reward with the Turing Award in the 1983 for the National Medal of the Technology and 1998 for the former peace, and the Bill Gates is to be a valuable contribution. Okay, એમને C language અને Unix પર વર્ક કરીને કંઈક ન્યૂ ઇનોવેશન કર્યું. Then the shame to have won. So lucrative career achievements include a 72 PGA wins to be a numerous other titles under his belt. So one prayer to have to won the all for preparation as the major championship is Raw in the 2000 and 2001 season, and turning away from the values one created to other follow have to lose the ground and fail the marriage life with the MS Thomas Nutritions and is failed for the father of two, and the Alexander is to be a affair with the alleged to be a 9 mysterious. So Aldrich Stones this is Tiger Wood is opening quote is a winning instant the evening everything. કે એમનું મેઇન ફોકસ શું છે કે વિનિંગ તમે કરો છો તો તમે કાંઈ પણ મેળવી શકો છો. સો જોઈએ લર્નિંગ વિથ ધ એક્ઝામ્પલ. જોઈએ કયા કયા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે. First example is the non-contributor. Non-contributor is a reward for the punishment and doing the right things. And if I am late, then the teacher will be angry, right? And contributor is focused on the value. They are not focused on the, there we can say if I not read, then teacher should punish me. But if I learn to be one time and I can achieve so much for in a day. So it's a one type of contributor concept. Then non-contributor is focused on the price of goods and things, but contributor have to be a value of the goods and things. Then non-contributor is focused on the cost of experiment. I failed in this exam, I have lost a career. But contributor is have to be a focus on the experience. I failed in the exam, I have now learned important disciplines and hard work and doing the best to my career. So here application of the examples are considered as a preserving value. So Rakesh, a business executive, is to be a finally remember his father and to be a ridiculous incident that took a place over the 15 years ago. There is the Rock of concert is a happening to the Risk Smart, and the biggest rock star from the Brits is to be India, is to be a first time. All my friends are go there. Please can I go? And I will be a really want to go. Rupees 1,500 for the seeing such people and jump around the stack. Is there is a hand either? His father says is a no. Then okay. He say okay. But the price is to be higher. Who knows when the Rakesh will be get a chance for the explore the ignorance for the croc and the concept of this kind of again what is the value of this. So later there is a night. Here is a take the money and go for the show. But the morning is to be a said no. Why this is how you will be remember this the experiment for your whole life. Okay. So here અહીંયા શું છે કે એક પર્સન છે, એક સ્ટુડન્ટ છે, એક છોકરો છે કે જેના ફાધર પાસે 1,500 માંગે છે કોઈ કન્સર્ટમાં જવા માટે, બરાબર છે, કોઈ ડાન્સિંગ શો છે કે કોઈ કન્સર્ટ છે, બરાબર છે, કોન્સર્ટ છે, બરાબર છે, તો એમાં જવા માંગે છે કોન્સર્ટમાં. તો એના ફાધર એને ના પડે છે. બટ જ્યારે એના ફાધર વિચારે છે કે કદાચ એમાંથી એને કંઈક શીખવા મળે તો એને રૂપીસ આપે છે. બટ એનો જે કહેવાય કે સન છે એને ના પાડે છે, કહે છે કે તમારી પાસે એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે, તમે ના પાડી હશે તો કોઈ રીઝન હશે એટલે તમે ના પાડી હશે. Then giving the value for the better services. I had a flown for the Mumbai client and meeting. There is a time to after this meeting is my return flight. At the airport I was waiting for the taxi man and spotted the cab is pull up. So I still remember that ride. So the driver has to rush open the passenger door for me and he is to be a pure I will be comfortable for before and close the door then inform me the traffic is bad today sir. I will take us for the 1 hour and so each of your destination, so please to enjoy the journey. Okay, please enjoy the journey. So there is a newspaper for the read and also in the case of you want to be a listen music, there are the tapes you can we can choose that. Okay, so અહીંયા જે એક પર્સન છે જે એરપોર્ટથી જે છે એને ટેક્સીમાં જવું છે પણ ટાઈમ નથી, સો કેબ મળે છે. કેબમાં એ જોવે છે કે ખૂબ જ વધારે પડતું ટ્રાફિક હોવાથી કેબ ડ્રાઈવર એને કહે છે કે અહીંયા આપણી પાસે સુવિધા છે, તમે ન્યૂઝપેપર રીડ કરી શકો છો બિકોઝ કે હજી તમારી ડેસ્ટિનેશન પહોંચવા પર તમને 1 કલાકની વાર લાગશે. ઓકે. I was quite surprised at the service I was receiving. I first sent a SMS to the clients of the office and then I would be there in an hour and also that the decide to advise this and relax. So I told him, obviously you face this great pride to your work and you must be a story to tell true, he replied. So I came from the village to earn money and realized that I love driving and being a service and feeling like I have to done a day of the work and but once the things for the sources to good in my business I could be meet this expectation for the passenger, but to be a great in my business I had exceed the customer's expectation. I want to be it and to be a rather than just get by being a overage. મીન્સ કે એ પોતે પોતાની સ્ટોરી કહે છે કે એ વિલેજથી આવ્યા છે અને એનું મેઇન વર્ક બિઝનેસ હતું બટ બિઝનેસ પાસે એની માટે મની નહોતું તો એણે ડ્રાઇવિંગ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું અને જેમાં એ કસ્ટમર જે ત્યાં બેઠે છે તો એની બધી નીડ્સ જે છે વોન્ટ્સ જે છે એ ડિસાઇડ કરે છે અને એ પ્રમાણે સર્વિસ પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે. Then trusting team member is encouraging integrity. Okay. જ્યારે તમે ટીમમાં વર્ક કરો છો તમારા ઈચ અધર જો ટ્રસ્ટ નથી તમારા ટીમ મેમ્બર વચ્ચે તો તમે કોઈ દિવસ પર જે છે એ સક્સેસ ન મળી શકે, બરાબર છે. તો ઓલવેઝ વેન એવર યુ આર વર્કિંગ ઇન ધ ટીમ ત્યારે ટ્રસ્ટ ઇઝ મેટર, કે ટ્રસ્ટ છે એ ખૂબ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. ટ્રસ્ટ નહીં હોય એકબીજા પર તો તમે છે એ ટીમમાં વર્ક નહીં કરી શકો. અહીં એક એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યું છે, સુજલ ઇઝ અ હેડ ઓફ ધ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન ઇન ધ ટીમ ટુ બી અ technology and the forecasting we can say is about the 3 weeks back and he found there are the some money missing કે એક કહેવાય કે ટીમ બનાવી છે એને હેડે પણ એમાં જોવે છે કે કંઈક મની ઓછા છે એમાં. there are the 50,000 rupees less, એ કહે છે કે એમાં 50,000 રૂપિયા ઓછા છે. Okay, so Sujal we should report our suspicion to the college out of this illness, we can say this type of new issues are created, then we should report it, right? So it must be a Mahesh, it's to be a source so proud to keep himself wait, should not jump into the conclusion. એ શું કહે છે કે કદાચ મહેશે લીધા હશે એવું કહે છે, બરાબર છે. Sujal talked to the Mahesh initially. Mahesh is to be a rude and close, but to be a gentle throughout this assistant and persistence. And Sujal is to be a talking and realize that Mahesh is innocent. કે સુજલ મહેશ સાથે વાત કરે છે અને મહેશને ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે સુજલને ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે મહેશ innocent છે. I believe in you. Somebody else has to be taken this money, and we have to be fined also. So I am praying for this prize money and to be unpopular. Then despite of this experiment, when they have to find the money, Sujal asked some of this friend to contribute this money and replacing the loss of the money, while other are continue the doubt. So several of the week we have to find to took a money for the Mahesh is the innocent, and thank you God did not be itinerarious. This excuse me Mahesh Sujal where's to be accuracy means કે જ્યારે તમે કોઈ ટીમમાં વર્ક કરો છો તો અહીંયા તમે જો કે મહેશને સુજલ પર ટ્રસ્ટ છે કે અહીંયા એવું કંઈ કરશે નહીં. પછી ઘણા ટાઈમ પછી એ જોવે છે કે મહેશ જે છે એ શું છે, ઇનોસન્ટ છે, મહેશે કોઈ પણ રૂપીસ લીધા નથી. સો હિયર કે તમે જો એક પણ વ્યક્તિ પર જે છે એ કોઈ કહેવાય કે ખોટી રીતે જો આક્ષેપ લાગી જાય છે તો ઘણીવાર એ ટીમ મેમ્બરનું વર્ક એક્ઝેક્ટલી હોતું નથી. His contribution toward the society, Swami Vivekanand. So identity and unity, universal allegations, Hinduism rise to be eminences, and the prevention of the Hinduism and the reach the diversity. So Swami Vivekananda says, even which are awaking from the knowledge for the potter, remain the potter, fishman and fisherman. So the pleasant is to be a pleased. So why should be a leave the heredity calling? So don't give up work and which you have to bond. So attain with the defects. Means કે તમે જે વર્ક કરો છો એમાં કંઈક ન્યૂ ઇનોવેટિવ જે વિચારો, એવું ન વિચારો કે આ કામ છે તો આ મારું જ કામ છે, આ મારે જ કરવાનું છે, બરાબર. If there are the taught this way, should be give up their respecting calling, and rather than is to be a knowledge to be a better performance which have to be been born. So doing is very good and comes from the things from the little man's Christians energy and the muscles for the work, and but throughout the work not fill the brain, and therefore is thought and the highest ideal and place them day to day, night and before the great works. Then the Sachin Tendulkar, the name itself is strikes straighter and the hearts of the bowlers and the captains around the world. So the star of Indian cricket team is more like the god of India. He is the best player ever gifted to the game of the cricket, should be chosen as the personality sports. So he possesses the stocks and books, and the probably is the best cutter streets the driver of the ball today. Then Dhirubhai Ambani, think big, think fast, think ahead. So ideas are to be a no one's monopoly. કે આઈડિયા ઉપર કોઈની મોનોપોલી, કોઈની ઇજારાશાહી નથી. તો તમે તમારી રીતે વિચારો, કંઈક નવું વિચારો, બરાબર છે. Pursue your goals, even the face the difficulty and the convert adversities into the opportunity. Don't give up, and the courage in my convenience. We cannot ruler, but we can change the rule of us. So last is the conclusion regarding this is the extremely results oriented. Swami Vivekananda expected the individuals do not merely work, but work in order to achieve the result and create a value for themselves. Growth has no limit for us. So we keeping revising our vision, and only when these dreams come true. So when we have the belief, the dream we have to live. Okay. So thank you very much. Here topic number 8 completed. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye.